Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia and I am Assistant Professor Neha Telani. Today we are going to study total quality management. What are its benefits and disadvantages? This particular topic is under TYBCBI and SYBMS. So let's get started. Now, before going for benefits and disadvantages of TQM, let's revise the meaning of TQM, that is total quality management. Now, total quality management, as we have discussed earlier in previous that is PPT. Now, total quality management means what? If we want to ensure customer loyalty, if we want to satisfy customer, the prime objective will be to provide the quality products, to give the superior products to customers. So total quality management means here there will be continuous efforts by management as well as by employee to ensure long-term customer loyalty and customer satisfaction by providing quality products. As we know that TQM comprises of three terms: total, quality and management. Total means everyone in organization is involved, that is management as well as employees. Quality means we have to provide uniform quality products to customers. And management means process of managing total quality, because customer is going to buy your product if they are satisfied with the quality of the product. So there are certain benefits or importance of total quality management. The first benefit is cost reduction and increased profitability. TQM always help us to reduce cost. If we are reducing the cost, that means it is possible, because if we are going for zero defect products means the products which are defect free, which are having, that is, which are superior quality products. So if we are reducing the cost, there will be increased profitability. So first benefit is there will be reduction in cost and there will be increased in profitability. Second benefit is facilitates productivity. Cost reduction is the means of increased productivity. Productivity implies maximum output with optimum utilization of resources. If we are using the resources in an optimum way, we can get the productivity. And by providing high-end technology, by providing good quality resources, by giving the employees the good working conditions, we can enhance the productivity in organization. Next is reduces redundant activities. This means we have to reduce the unessential task. We have to avoid the wastage of resources. This is possible under TQM concept, because TQM saves a lot of time. It involves teamwork and it eliminates the duplication of tasks. So redundant activities are reduced once we are going for TQM application. Next is promote innovation processes. TQM in organization enables to conduct research. If there is certain problem or there is certain challenge in organization, TQM try to solve that challenge, try to solve that particular problem. So by research we can have innovative ideas, we can implement that innovative ideas to attract the customers. Next is market specific product or services. The main focus of TQM is on customer satisfaction. So they provide the goods and services which are demanded by the customer. We have to provide the goods, we have to provide the services as per the need, as per the demand of customers. So TQM also always focus on customer demand, customer need and provide products accordingly. Next benefit of TQM is holistic approach to management. As we have already discussed that it involves total. Total means everyone is involved, everyone, that means we have holistic approach of management. We have like teamwork, employee engagement. These are important, or these are essential to carry out the TQM in an effective manner and to have a better performance in organization. Next is TQM promote continual improvement. Now TQM practices are designed to bring continual improvements in quality, continual improvements in like to have innovation and development of product, to have innovation in services. So this results in continual, that is improvement. Facilitates competitive edge. The next benefit of TQM is facilitates competitive edge. As we know that competition is increasing day by day. So to cope up with that, we have to satisfy the customer. We have to go for quality products and zero defect product. This will help us to survive in competitive environment for a longer period of time. So we have to develop the new strategies. We have to go for development of products which are superior. So the customers get attracted to that. So this is possible under the TQM strategy. Next is promote goodwill. As we know that TQM focuses on quality of product. So if we are providing quality products under TQM concept, so the cost get reduced, cost is reduced. So customers will get product as at a reasonable price. It will help us to promote goodwill of the organization. And already the customers which are attached with that organization, they will become the brand ambassadors for the company. Next is what? It facilitates effective communication and employee morale. As we have already discussed in previous module that TQM always focuses on quality of product. So that involves teamwork, and for teamwork we have to communicate with each and everyone in organization. Without effective communication, without employee morale, it is very difficult to implement the total quality management concept in organization. So TQM always facilitate effective communication. It helps us to interact with the members with the different departments, and we have to carry out the communication at each and every level in organization for smooth working. Next is it facilitates customer satisfaction. TQM is all about delivering a superior quality of product to customers. So if we are providing superior quality under TQM, so complaints of customers will be less. If customers complaint is less, then market share will increase, and the brand ambassadors of the company, who will be the brand ambassadors? The customers which are already attached to the company, they will become the brand ambassadors, and they will help us to attract the new customers as well. So total quality management helps us in lot of ways, where we can attract customers by giving them good services, that is, we can give them better services. Next is disadvantages of total quality management. Now the first disadvantage of total quality management is it demands a change in culture. As we all know that change in an organization culture is very difficult, as we have to convince each and everyone in an organization to adapt the new culture, to adapt the new policies, to adapt the new rules and regulations. So because of that interlocking, that is set of values, processes, attitudes, and the employees may resist to have a change, because they might think that if we are going to adapt the new things, if we are going for new challenges, so it can be threat to their jobs. So demand a change in culture is very difficult task, because change is not easy. Adaptation of change is very difficult in organization, and TQM requires the change, requires the commitment from each and everyone to adapt the change. The next disadvantage is demands planning, time and resources. TQM system takes years to implement. It's not like overnight concept that today we have decided we'll implement TQM and on the next day it will get implemented. No, we have to wait. We have to keep patience because it will take time, it will take proper planning, it will involve certain resources. So if suppose we have improper planning, so TQM will fail ultimately. So we have to keep in mind all the things. So might be it's not possible for small organizations to carry out because the time element is involved. Next is quality is expensive. It's not easy to maintain quality at a cheaper price. We have to implement TQM for which we require funds. We have to come up with training cost. We have team development cost. We have infrastructural improvement cost. So TQM is not suitable for every organization. Especially it is not designed or it is not feasible for small companies to carry on with this TQM concept because its implementation, its training cost, it will have financial losses for some organizations also. Next is it takes years to show results. As we have discussed that TQM is not an overnight concept. It involves like years to implement. So many organizations give up on this concept because after failing to see the tangible results quickly, they may like stop that process in between because it's taking much time to get implemented. And small organization may not afford the that is time element and other cost. TQM discourages that is creativity because TQM focuses on task standardization to ensure that everyone is going with that particular standard. So it will discourage the creativity, it will discourage the innovative ideas, and it might hinder the improvement in quality of that product. Not a quick fix solution. Many companies in their excessive focus on quality end up losing the financially. We try to give the superior quality products, but at the same time we have to balance it with like financial stability of the organization. We have to see the funds as well as the funds required to maintain that quality. So it's not easy to fix each and every solution, each and every problem and solution will be there. So we have to analyze each and everything before applying this concept. Okay, thank you.